Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish sauce. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: fresh anchovies, a good quality salt, and a clean fermentation vessel. It's crucial to ensure your anchovies are very fresh and thoroughly cleaned. Next, you'll mix the fish with salt. A common ratio is 1 part salt to 3 parts fish by weight. This initial step is vital for a successful fermentation process, so take your time. Once your fish and salt are mixed, layer them tightly into your fermentation vessel. Press down firmly to remove any air pockets. Then, place a heavy weight on top to keep the fish fully submerged in the brine that will form. This prevents spoilage and encourages proper fermentation. Store your vessel in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. The fermentation process typically takes anywhere from 6 to 12 months for the best flavor development. After the long wait, it's time to extract your delicious fish sauce. Carefully drain the liquid from your fermentation vessel through a fine mesh sieve into a clean container. This first pass removes the larger solids. For an even clearer sauce, you'll want to filter it again. Use several layers of cheesecloth or even coffee filters for a super clear product. You can repeat this filtering process until you achieve your desired level of clarity. Finally, pour your beautifully clear, homemade fish sauce into clean, sterilized bottles. Make sure to seal them tightly to maintain freshness. Your fish sauce can be stored in a cool, dark pantry for a very long time, ready to enhance your favorite dishes. It's incredibly rewarding to use something you've made yourself. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy the rich, umami flavor of your very own fish sauce in your cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.